every 2 minutes, somewhere in the world, someone dies because of high blood pressure, often without even knowing they had it. But what if I told you there's a natural, inexpensive, and almost effortless way to fight back? A tiny superfood, no bigger than a grain of rice, that can calm your arteries, protect your heart, and even lower your blood pressure without side effects. Yes, I'm talking about chia seeds. And today, we're going to uncover what really happens inside your body when you start adding them to your daily diet. Hi, and welcome back to Envilush, your go-to channel for skincare, healthcare, and overall body care. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss powerful health tips that can transform your life naturally. And trust me, you don't want to miss today's topic. Now, let's dive straight into the big question. What actually happens to your blood pressure when you add chia seeds to your diet? Chia seeds and high blood pressure, the science. Blood pressure, as you know, is the force of blood pushing against your artery walls. When it stays high for too long, it damages your heart, brain, and kidneys. This is called hypertension, and it's one of the biggest silent killers worldwide. Chia seeds, though tiny, are packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, antioxidants, magnesium, and potassium, all of which directly affect your blood pressure. When you consume them daily, they begin to relax your blood vessels, reduce inflammation in your body, and balance the minerals in your body. This creates a powerful recipe for lowering blood pressure naturally. 2. Omega-3s, the heart protector. One of the star nutrients in chia seeds is alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of plant-based omega-3. Omega-3s are famous for reducing inflammation in the arteries. Less inflammation means smoother blood flow and less pressure on the artery walls. So over time, chia seeds act almost like a natural shield for your heart and blood vessels, lowering both systolic and diastolic pressure. 3. High fiber equals stable blood pressure. Another secret weapon of chia seeds is their high fiber content. Just 2 tablespoons have about 10 grams of fiber. Why does that matter? Because fiber slows down the absorption of sugar, keeps your blood sugar stable, and lowers cholesterol. All these effects prevent spikes in blood pressure. Imagine fiber as a natural broom cleaning your arteries, helping your heart pump blood without resistance. 4. Magnesium and potassium, the mineral balance. Blood pressure is heavily influenced by sodium levels. Too much salt raises pressure, but potassium does the opposite. It helps flush out excess sodium from your body. Chia seeds are rich in potassium. And then comes magnesium, another mineral in chia seeds. Magnesium relaxes your blood vessels, acting like a natural muscle relaxer for your arteries. When your arteries are relaxed, your blood flows freely without extra force. 5. What research says? Studies have shown that people who consumed chia seeds regularly saw significant improvements in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, the top number and the bottom number. In some cases, chia seeds worked almost as effectively as blood pressure medication, but naturally without side effects. 6. Other benefits that indirectly control blood pressure. Here's something interesting. Chia seeds don't just lower blood pressure directly, they also help with conditions that cause high blood pressure. Weight management. Fiber keeps you full for longer, reducing overeating and helping with weight loss. Blood sugar control. Stable sugar levels means less stress on your blood vessels. Lower cholesterol. Less bad cholesterol equals cleaner arteries.
It's like chia seeds are attacking high blood pressure from multiple angles at once. 7. How to use chia seeds for blood pressure. Now, you might be wondering, how much chia seed should you actually eat? Experts recommend 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Here are some simple ways to add them to your diet. Mix chia seeds into a glass of water and let them swell up into a gel. Drink it every morning. Sprinkle them over salads, yogurt, or smoothies. Add them to your oats or porridge. Make chia seed pudding as a healthy dessert. The key is consistency. Make them part of your daily diet. 8. A word of caution. While chia seeds are safe for most people, if you're already on blood pressure medication, you should consult your doctor before adding large amounts of chia seeds. Why? Because together, they might lower your pressure too much. Also, chia seeds absorb a lot of water, so always drink plenty of water when consuming them to avoid bloating or digestion issues.
9. Antioxidants, protecting blood vessels from damage. Chia seeds are packed with antioxidants like chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and quercetin. These compounds fight off free radicals, the unstable molecules that damage your cells and blood vessels. When your arteries stay healthy and flexible, your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood. This reduces long-term risks of hypertension and heart disease. 10. Hydration support. Here's a lesser-known benefit. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance. This unique ability helps keep you hydrated for longer, which directly benefits blood pressure regulation. Proper hydration means your blood volume stays balanced, preventing unnecessary spikes or drops in pressure. That's why athletes often use chia seeds for endurance and stamina. So, what happens to your blood pressure when you add chia seeds to your diet? It starts to balance, stabilize, and drop to a healthier level, naturally. By adding just a spoonful of these tiny seeds daily, you're giving your heart the nutrition it craves, protecting yourself from hypertension, and boosting your overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to envilush for more powerful health and body care tips. And let me know in the comments, how do you like to use chia seeds in your meals? I'd love to hear your ideas. Until next time, stay healthy, stay glowing, and take care of your beautiful body from the inside out.